Hello, my name is Tom, and in this tutorial I show you how to install the Siegenspeck UCAP. This is a tenor size ukulele, and the first job we have to do is to take off the strings. The next step then is to mark out the position of the hole in the end block here. To not crack the lacquer anyway, I put a little bit of masking tape about there and mark out the middle here. So after marking out, we use a 12mm drill or 13mm drill. You have a bit more space for the jack to get through the hole. Put it in a cordless drill or any drill, doesn't matter. Before we install the pickup, we remove the adhesive paper here, so the gluing surface is ready to go on the front. The next step is to get this jack end through the whole of the instrument. I mean, if you have tiny, small hands, it would work to get in there, but that's quite difficult. So a trick, very handy trick, is to use your wire, your jack, just pull it through the hole, put the jack on there. The best position for the pickup patch is about in the middle, in front of the bridge, or a bit next to it in case you have a brace in the middle going. Make sure when you glue it against it, press it against it, there's no brace in the way. Nearly finished. The last thing is just to put the end bit on the jack, which you can use as a strap button to hold your strap. Put the strings on and have fun with your ukulele and a nice pickup.